Hey everyone, I'm Melanie from Streamlined Legal, where we help law firms get the most out of their practice management software. Tonight, we're keeping it short and sweet. When I schedule something on my calendar or someone schedules it on my behalf for me, I always put in the street address of the location. Now, I know this can be seem very intuitive or like something we should just know about putting in street addresses. But it sounds very easy for a meeting that is taking place in a different location. If I'm going to a client's house, if I'm going to a title company, like that part seems kind of easy, right? But even when I'm going somewhere that I've been 100 times before, whether it's the courthouse or frankly, even if it's in my office, I like to put the full street address. And I'll tell you why, is because when I get into my car and I'm about to go somewhere, I do like to click on the calendar very quickly so that I can go ahead and map that location. It shows up on my phone, on the calendar on my phone. I can click on the location. It'll map it right away into my preferred map, which for me is Google Maps. But whichever map you're using, it can go ahead and give you that map. Now, I've been to my house a million times before. I've been to the courthouse 100 million times before, so I know where these places are. That's not the problem. The challenge is I want to know what time I'm going to get there, and I want to know the fastest way to get there. And so I would like to use that data and that information that Google or the map is providing me so that I can get there quickly. And if in fact it comes up on the screen as I'm going to be late because it's going to estimate when I'm going to get there, then I can go ahead and either call ahead or reach out to someone on my team to call ahead and let them know that I'm going to be late. So again, whether I'm going to a place where I've never been or whether I'm going to a place I've been 100 times, I still want that street address in the calendared appointment so that I can very quickly, very easily, as soon as I get into the car and pulling out of the driveway, maybe right before I pull out of the driveway, I'm going to go ahead and click on that map to get that to come up on the screen so that I know what I'm working with. Do I need to notify someone that I'm going to be late? Do I need to prepare for a long drive in traffic? Do I need to prepare for an alternate route? There's a lot of different opportunities there for me, but if I have to go back and figure out what the address is or find it while I'm trying to get to my location or right before I leave to get to my location, obviously that's going to take a lot more time and energy. So kudos to all of you for sticking that location and the address into the calendar to help us be on time and help us prepare for the travel ahead. And that's what I've got for you tonight. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great evening.